Hey guys, so this will be one of my most important videos. I will show you how you can track celebrity accounts, how you can track celebrity wallets, exactly Dave Portnoy's wallet, his main wallet. And this video is not about meme coins. This is basically a video about how to be effective on Solana, how you can track celebrities, celebrity wallets, big whale wallets, influencer wallets, and how you can basically get in front of 99.999% of people and be early to buying these meme coins or just Solana coins, because when we actually reach a crypto euphoria, which is not yet here, everything will be so crazy. You will see celebrities creating their tokens and posting contract addresses daily, and this is how you can basically get in front of everyone else. So for example, this is Dave Portnoy. He has been teasing the greed number 3. He basically already created greed 1, greed 2, and this will be greed 3. So there is a high chance that you can get early. And how you can get early is really easy. So first of all, go on Bullex. This is a free platform. You need an invite link. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. So here is the best part. Bullex is basically the best platform because you can edit your fees. You can track wallets, and how you can track wallets is easy. You go right here. First of all, you will see this. This is the screen that you basically have to ignore unless you want to become a real meme coin trader. Now you go on a wallet tracker here. Wallet tracker, here you can see I have 0, and you can add up to 300 wallets. So what you have to do is basically, how you can find Dave Portnoy's wallet is easy. Go on callscan.io, search basically Dave, and here is his main wallet. What you have to do is copy right here. You will see the Solana address. Just copy, go back, add wallet, Dave, enter wallet address, and here is the Dave Portnoy's wallet. You can see the last transaction he did was 2 days ago. Let's go to the monitor square right here. And here you can see everything that he's holding. Greed, Greed 2, Jails 2, Libra. So basically you can see how much basically he has remaining, 36k. How much he has invested. He invested 1.69k, and he basically is up. He has sold 0 for the greed 2. For greed 1, he basically sold them. He bought 17,000 worth and sold already 283,000 worth of coins for the greed, which is insane. This is the biggest hold. He has bought 779,000 of Jails tool and sold 123k, remaining 660k. So, and here on this side you can see the latest transactions. So if he basically does something, you will see right here and right here. And what I'm doing personally, for example, Dave is not the only wallet that I want to track. I want to track multiple wallets. For example, you can go on the call scan, and this is basically the place where you can see the biggest, the best meme coin, Solana coin traders. Because if you go on the leaderboard, you can see, for example, monthly leaders are Frank. Capsi was basically in the first places for the last few months. You can see people are making 58,000 today, 46, 39. And for example, you want to track this guy, just copy paste. You can actually go on his X and see who he is. Is he legit? You can see the replies if people are basically talking good about him or if he is dumping. So we go back, you copy his address, go to the wallet tracker, add wallet, and what was his name? West. So West, wallet address, paste. So now we are tracking West and Dave. Here you can see West is basically, he was active 1 hour ago. So you go to Monitor Square. Here you can see everything that he's buying, how much he has remaining. Yeah, so that's a great way you can find wallets right here. And if you go on the main page, on landing page, Here you can see 13 seconds ago, Loopier bought something, so you can, for example, add him as well, copy his wallet. And why you want to add more than one people on these, basically track more than one people, is because, for example, someone creates a token that you don't see on X, but you will see notifications popping on right here, and you will see Deu buying, for example, Greed, West buying Greed, Deu buying Greed. And this is how you will see that something huge is coming that you don't see on X, that you're not tracking on X, but you will see many people are buying. Then you go on X, you search, for example, I don't know, Greed, and you will see instantly who is posting. For example, some influencer, some huge celebrity is posting about Greed, or I don't know, dog with hat or cat with hat, doesn't matter. But you will see many people buying, and these are the pros that will be buying before everyone else, and you will find out about it really early. And that's a great way, even if you are not actively copy trading, because I'm not copy trading, I'm just basically just learning. You can also add as many wallets, basically up to 300, and you can just check what people are doing, what these meme coin traders are buying, selling, how they are moving, and just learning. That's what I'm doing personally. And yeah, you can track Deu himself, which is the best part. Now I want to show you this latest news. For example, Kanye is planning to launch his token as a pre-sale on his website. Here you can see that there was a basically website creatingmoney.easy.com. They shut it down. So I think all the attention that Kanye West is talking and basically ranting on the X is because he wants to create a token. Now he's just creating this attention, so more people will be buying. And it is like 100% that this coin that he will post will go probably to 2 billion, 3 billion, maybe more than that. That's my opinion. And this is how you can track celebrities and influencers effectively. And for example, you know that Dave Portnoy will be creating another token. You know that Kanye will be most likely creating a token. And if you hear some rumors, you can do this. So you go on X. Now for this you need a premium account on X, which is around $8.99 a month. So you go on premium, you go on X Pro, and this is a great tool inside X, inside Twitter. You can basically create your own list. For example, I have main crypto for the main news, I have meme coin influencers, I have masters, the smart people in crypto and NFTs, daily alpha, top VCs, meme coin, Solana influencers. So you can create your own lists. And I have, for example, I'm tracking Dave Portnoy himself. And the best part about this tool is that it updates automatically. You don't have to refresh or scroll. Here you can see it is updating automatically. And for example, as Dave Portnoy posts something, you will see it in few seconds. You will not have to basically scroll and stumble upon something when it's like 20 minutes in. And for example, what I have to do is create a Kanye West column. So let's create a list, create a new list. Let's call this Yay Next. So let's add him to this Yay list that I just created. It looks like I cannot find him any other way. So let's go back to the Pro. Let's delete this, add column. So on my lists, I need to find the Yay list. So here it is. So right now you can see I am tracking Kanye West. So as he will be posting, for example, contract address or a website to a contract address, I will be the first one that will see. If you're just scrolling, you will most likely stumble upon in a few minutes, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes as it gets more popular. But This is the best way. You can do nothing. You can just wait, and as they will post something, it will be here in few seconds. So that's how you can track celebrities really fast. And I think this website is updated frequently. So for example, if someone finds a Kanye West's wallet, you will be able to copy it here, go on Bullx, add wallet, and just track it, and you will see everything they are buying and selling. And you will understand that when, for example, Dave Portnoy buys something, there are so many people copy trading. If he's posting on X, the contract address, it will go much higher. That's why I am waiting for the Greed 3. Now, if you want to basically fund your Bullx account, and again, if you want to use Bullx, this is totally free. Invite link is in the description and in the comment section. One more thing is that you can actually track tweets right here. Soon you will be able to follow specific accounts, and this will be much faster than X Pro. And for example, if you want to fund your Bullx account, what you have to do is go on your wallet manager, add funds, and here you will basically have your wallet where you have to send Solana. You can send from Phantom, from Coinbase or Binance, and that's how you will basically fund your wallet. You can create different, multiple wallets that you can use. You can create you can add different withdraw wallets. For example, this is my Phantom wallet. This is some platform that for example, some exchange. And for example, you want to buy a coin. Let's search some, for example, Trump. Doesn't matter. So how you want to buy is this. You set an amount. For example, you see I have 0.5 Ethereum. I want to buy with 0.1 Ethereum, and here you will press buy. Now I will explain you something alpha, something huge. For example, if you are buying with Phantom Wallet or on exchanges, you have a really high chance that you are buying quite slow because your priority fees, your buy bribes, you cannot edit those on Phantom Wallet or on exchanges or any other wallet. Now, why Bullx is superior than all of the wallets and exchanges is because you can set your priority fees higher. Doesn't matter. And I would recommend you to set these higher if you are trying to be fast. For example, Trump is, releasing a Baron Trump. He posts on X the Baron Trump, his son, contract address with the meme coin. And you will understand that tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people will be trying to buy. There is a high chance that Solana will be congested and slow. And the problem with Phantom Wallet or with wallets in general is that, first of all, you have to approve the token, you have to sign transactions. So it takes already a few seconds up to a minute. If Solana is congested, your swaps, your approves can fail. So that adds up to more minutes, which means that if there are 100,000 people buying and you set your gas fee higher than most of the people, you will buy before them. And imagine if you're buying Trump coin before 10,000 or 100,000 of people are buying. So you basically buy and they are pumping the price for you. And basically you can increase the priority fee and buy bribe by a little bit, and you will already be one of the first ones that can buy this. And for example, when the Melania coin came out, the Solana basically was so congested that I couldn't get the transaction for like 1 hour, which is insane. And people that were using Bullx were buying instantly because, again, you can set your own gas fees so the transactions go first. And you don't even have to be smart, you just have to know how to use these tools. And I basically just showed you how you can use it. My recommendation is, even if nothing is happening right now on Solana, just go on this application. Spend $10, $15 just by trying out stuff, so you don't, so you are fast when actually something happens. So yeah, that's basically how I have been making money for the last few weeks, is by using Bullx, being fast, really easy. And I'm making this video because I know 99% of people will still not be doing this, which is weird. But also, if you are trading on this platform and referring people, you are also qualifying for an airdrop. So again, you are faster, you can get more money by being faster than most of the people, and you are earning airdrop for free. So yeah, that's basically it. That's what I want to show you in this video. I hope you take advantage of this crypto bull market, because I think everything that euphoria is still coming, and I want you to learn the greatest tools. If there's something better than this, I will definitely post it right here. But overall, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.